Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you a quick introduction to my Zoho Desk training. If you come to pnuk.com, type in desk or Zoho Desk, you'll get links to the training courses where you can jump in, dive in, watch the videos. Hello, it's Paul. You don't need to sign up. You don't need to log in. You can leave comments without logging in. I wanted to create a training course where you can just share it with everybody in your office without them having to worry about logging in or having a license or whatever it might be. Send it around and get you flying as quick as possible. Obviously, it's mine and Zoho's jobs. As a Zoho partner, it's my job to sort of get you introduced to Zoho, but then I want you to get the most out of it if I've recommended it. But it's me and Zoho's job to get you the best training for your subscription. So what we're going to have is links for the sign up, links for official support, links for official contact, where you can get direct information from Zoho, but then my training as well as Zoho's latest videos. The only thing, you don't need to sign up. You need to sign up with Discuss, so you can do that. If you want to leave a comment, if you want, what will happen is when you come to a training course, let's go to my training. So all my latest training videos, and what the beauty of this is, what I wanted was an updated, easy for me to update and keep you with the best fresh information. This is now really easy for me to update and change things. But the only thing you need to do if you want to track which videos you've watched or not is sign up. Now, you don't have to sign up. I wanted to create a course where you didn't have to sign up, but all you have to do is join. It's 100% free. What you do, just jump to my account. So I'm logged in. Now, when I go here, what you'll see, the only thing you need to join to do is to mark as watched. So when you go to a video, if it's got a green background, you've watched it, you've completed the lesson. And maybe I'll do some certificates if you've watched every lesson. But all you've got to do is when you're logged in, mark as watched, and then when you go back, that one will go green. So you can see, because there's a lot of things, there's a lot of repetition in training, there's a lot of things that you don't need that might not be applicable to your company. But if you want to just go, well, I've seen that video, or I haven't seen this one, tabs explained, or Zoho Desk widgets, but you might not be interested in that at that time. Hopefully that helps explain the sign up. This is the only thing you need to sign up for. It's 100% free, as is all the training on here. And obviously Zoho Desk is part of that Zoho One 40 plus apps. If you're a Zoho Desk customer or another Zoho app, you really should look at that Zoho One, because that's why there's 40 odd plus. There's going to be hundreds of courses in Zoho One because there's 40 plus apps. But I just wanted to introduce you to Zoho Desk. Dive in, find something, tell me if it's out of date, tell me if it's no longer looking like that, tell me anything that's missing. What we're going to say, can you do a video on replying via email to tickets? Or maybe it's connecting Zendesk to Zoho Desk. Maybe you don't use Zoho Desk as your main import, like you'll see down the bottom there. This is actually Zendesk down here. Zoho, yeah, something like that. Hit it. I'll see that comment. I will reply to it. The comment system this way is easier to make sure you get the answers. I might reply and go, here's the video, and then I might just put I don't know if this will work. Zendesk. I just want to show you the theory. Click on the link, takes you to the video. Obviously, the link's wrong. Things like that. So I hopefully you'll see that I'm trying to make it a dynamic training platform where I'm pulling all Zoho's latest videos. I'm going, where we're going to go.
Hello, it's Paul.
Oh. So when we go here, the reason I've got this one, Zoho Desk latest videos, this updates every week. So if Zoho Desk comes out with a video,
This video will guide you through the ins and outs of effectively navigating and leveraging the sandbox environment.
Right, so these are things I don't even know. There's so much involved within Zoho and then Zoho One You know, the 40 plus apps, it's insane. There's so much Zoho information to get out of your subscriptions. I want to give you dynamic training where you're in there, you're out there, you're sharing it, you're telling people in your office, go to that page, go watch that video. If you don't know what you're doing, just ask Paul a question. He'll dive on it. And if he hasn't got a video, he'll probably create one for you. So that's Zoho Desk Training, 100% free. Come and find it. Come and tell me what's missing. Everybody who comments makes the course better. We want to get you flying and out of here as quick as possible so that you don't have to do training courses on Zoho Desk. You're just helping your customers or your prospective customers. Any questions, let me know. See you all again soon. Thanks for watching. Paul at PUNK Training. Punk out.